This thing is pretty clean. Also, the Lambo is pretty sick too. There's so much people, bro. I guess this was the SVA that was like going crazy, and then there's another one right there. No, ahorita no puede. No puede grabar. Mucha gente va. Full on race car right here. LMP car, I believe. This thing's pretty sick, bro. Freaking gold Lambo, bro. And then we have a white Ferrari. This thing is clean, bro. Sick as Lambo. And then we have more cars over there. Dude, there's like a ton of motorcycles out here. There's like a few more over there. They got the SUPRA out here. And they got the, yeah, I don't know what the heck this is, but they got this here too. They got a Liberty Walk GTR out here too. And they got a NSX, the new ones. These ones are pretty sick, dude. This paint, dude, oh my god. But then this car is sick, dude. Not bad. Yeah, it's pretty sick though. And they got the RX-7 too. Damn. Big ass NOS bottle in the back. And they got the SUPRA too. Damn, on the tire too. Sheesh. I think this one does like big two-step shit though. Like it's pretty wild. And damn, they got a Viper too. This Viper is pretty sick. I like the satin black and the paint, or rabbit or whatever. But then this thing, bro, LS twin turbo, pretty damn wild, bro. Yeah, it's pretty sick though. And they have a Nissan Altima out here. Damn, dude. This thing pink is pretty sick. On bags too, white body, freaking sick. This thing too is on bags and freaking white body shit. Liberty Walk, it's pretty sick though. They got I don't know my Ferraris, bro. But this thing is sick. This was the freaking car that was shooting flames earlier. This thing is sick, dude. Damn. Some goals right here, bro. RA, another Porsche. Damn, dude, this thing looks like a freaking race car right here. The freaking wheels. Damn, there is so much people out here, bro, and so many cars too. Man, those fools are wild. It may come, maybe. Sheesh. Dude, that's a sick ass color on the Aston Martin.
Sick, bro. Burn out.
Sheesh. Clean as evil. Damn.
Used to be my dream car, bro.
Not anymore. Was that an M5? And yeah, let's cut that one, bro. Clean ass Lambo, brother. Drink car right there, bro. What the heck is that, bro? Is there freaking... What the... Oh. Okay, that's kind of sick. Damn. Little drift car. What the? Yeah. That's a clean ass freaking G80, bro. Oh, hell no. Damn. But this thing right here, bro. They're so loud. That's a clean ass G80, bro.
It's like all that gas is coming in our faces, man. It's like we about to get some fire. It's just smoke, man. We're all gonna get barbecued. Crazy, huh? I couldn't bring it. Holy fuck.
Sorry, I'll be right back to the.
Yeah, that's freaking. Dude, that's freaking crazy. Twin turbo. Full on drift car. Yeah, that's crazy. That's insane, bro. This thing is hella clean, bro. It's full carbon fiber, I believe. And then twin turbo BQ. This thing is crazy. Dude, after a crazy night, we're gonna finish the night over here. We're freaking in and out. A little 4x4.